XS3 addition. If you go for XS3 addition, 7 and 4. What is XS3 of 7? XS3 of 7. 1 0 1 0 10. Right? What is XS4 of XS3 of 4? 0 triple 1. 0 triple 1. Right? Try to add. What you are going to get. 1 1 0 1 0 carry 1 0. Right? What is total value? 1 1 11. Is it correct? Is it correct? See, observe. Is there any discussion of 0001 in our system? In our XS3 system, is there a number present at least? No. Meaning that it will come under what kind of pattern? Invalid pattern. When invalid pattern, what you have to do? Plus 6 add cheyala, plus 3 add cheyala. So just think about it. Right? The point here is when there is a carry generation, you have to simply add plus 3m plus 3. Right? What is plus 3? 0011. Try to find out. This is 1 0. This is 1 0 1 0. Zero 1 0 0. What is 0 1 0 0? 4, right? 4 in XS3, but 1. So we need to have the result as 1, right? So we got one more 1 1. Okay, now we got this one. This one represents what? 0 0 1 actually, but in BCD in XS3 operation, what is the meaning of this one? 0 1 0 0. This is normal BCD 8421. In our XS3 it is 0 1 0 0. So are we getting the correct or not? One part is correct. What about here? Right? So here the point is, I will tell, right? So this is like getting confusing. Once again I will take. So what you have to do now, when you are trying to add two positive numbers, so add just, this is 1 1 is 1 0, 1 1 is 1 0, 1 1 is 1 0. Okay, 1 you are getting the carry. When you are trying to add two positive numbers, you are thinking that there is a carry generation, you have to add extra bits. If there are no bits also, you have to add extra number. What is XS3 of 0? 3. What is XS0 of 3? 0 3. Right? This is the representation for 7 and 4. Right? Now try to do this one. Okay, so just think about this. What is like, is 0001 exist first? No. When it is not existed, or in other terminology, if I say, if carry generated, what I said, simply add plus 3. Okay, now if you add plus 3, what is going to happen? 0 0 1 1. Right? So we are going to get 1 0 1 0 1 0, which is XS3 code. In our decimal system, in our BCD system, what is this value? 1. Right? Are you going to get 1 or not? Yes. Now try to think about this case. What is sum of 111? 1 1. What is sum of 111? 1 1 1 0 111. Right? In 0 111, is there any carry generated? No. no carry generated. When no carry generated, what you need to get here? Again you have to get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 only. This is my requirement. Can I get 0, 1, 0, 0 from 0, 1, 1, minus 3, right? You can simply subtract minus 3. 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 3. Here I am trying to add plus 3. If you subtract minus 3 from 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Are you getting the result or not? So this is what 1 in accessory system. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Are you getting the data or not? Right? This is what you have to follow. See. So try to take one more example. So take out zero 9 and 0 9. See, you have to write like 9 and 9. As generally I will get the carry. I am directly adding 0 and 0. Right? What is the XS3 code for 0? 0, 0, 1, 1. For 9, 9, 3, 12. That is 8, 4, 12, 0, 0. And the same thing, right? 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. See, first analyze what is the result you need to have. 18 means that at the final, what you have to have? 0, 1, 0, 0 and 8, 0, 1, 1. So this is the result I have to get, right? If you are going to follow our procedure, if you are going to get this answer, our procedure is perfectly correct. See, this is 0, 0, 1, 0. This is 1, 1. Okay. Right? Means that when there is a carry generation, you have to add plus 3. When no carry generated, you have to add minus 3. Right? So as carry generated, you have to add plus 3. 0, 0, 1, 1. When you add 0, 0, 1, 1, you got 1, 0, 1, 1 or not? Which is equal. Right? Now take out this case. This is 1, 1. This is 1, 1, 1, 0. No carry generated. So you have to subtract 0, 1, 0, 0. These two cases. Sorry. So are you going to get the result or not? Right? Take out any case where you need to have the borrows, like adding zeros. 4 and 3. Let me take two numbers, 4 and 3. What is the XS3 of 4? 0, 1, 1. XS3 of 6. Sorry, XS3 of 3. Right? 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. In XS3 system, is there any carry? When there is no carry, what you have to do? Again, you have to subtract 3, right? 0, 0, 1, 1. You are going to get 0. From 0, you are going. If you are going to remove 1, minus 1 or 1, 1, 1, right? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What I did here? See, from 0, if you remove 1, you will get 1. I am going to get the borrow from other side. But see, what is the meaning of 1, 0? 1, 0 in decimal system, 2. 1 in decimal system, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 in binary system, 1. Okay, so you have to take binary system. See, I have taken borrow. So 1, 0 I got. This is 1. These are in binary system. I am trying to convert into decimal system because it is our understandability. 1, 0 in decimal system is 2. 1 in decimal system is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, which is in decimal system again. I need to convert it into binary system. What is 1 in binary system? 1 base 2. So that's why I have written here 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Is this procedure is correct or not? Yes. Like this, you have to follow the approaches. So in XS3 addition system, when carry is generated, you have to add plus 3. When carry is not generated, you have to subtract with minus 3.